guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a massive clothing haul for you guys. It's been a while since I last did one of these, and today I promise you this is a big one. This clothing haul and try on is going to be with a brand called ZAFUL.com. If you have or haven't heard of ZAFUL.com, it's a really affordable clothing and swimwear brand online. Now I'm not going to lie, I was a little bit unsure whether to accept this collaboration when they first emailed me. They'd offered to send me out a whole bunch of bikinis to try for you guys, but I did have to show you what they looked like on. So I'm not overly confident in my body, so please be kind in the comments. I've done the best that I possibly can. I will be inserting photos all throughout the video of what the bikinis actually look like on me. Now they did send me all of these bikinis for free, but I'm going to be giving you my full honest opinion of the quality, of the fit, of the styles of bikini, and what I truly think of them. So just so you guys know, I've ordered all of these bikinis in a size medium. I'm normally about an 8 to 10 Australian, which is generally a size medium, and I'll let you know how I think that compares to like my normal sizing and if they fit me. Something that I should mention while I remember is that all of the bikinis did come individually wrapped in this ZAFUL packaging. It was nice that it felt nice and clean. It wasn't in some like dodgy packaging or anything, so it was nice that they all came packaged properly. And the other thing to mention is that the shipping was so fast. I'm pretty sure that these are all shipped from China, and they got to me within like 3 days of ordering them. So if you want something like last minute or you need bikinis before you go away, it is really quick shipping. So the first bikini I have here is this black and white spotty one. I am obsessed with this. It is such a nice fit. If you don't have big boobs, it somehow makes your boobs look like you have something there. I have like B to C size boobs, and these actually give me decent cleavage, so I was super impressed. They do have padding in them, just a little tie up, adjustable straps at the back, and then a little like hook closure as well. This is probably one of my favorite pairs from all of them that I was sent. These ones just came with some little like string bottoms. You can see they've got little tie-ups on the side. Now I will warn you, a lot of the ZAFUL bottoms are very cheeky, almost like G-string like. These are the perfect fit. This is the back here, so they are a little bit cheeky, but not G-string. The next pair that I have here is this fluoro orange set. Now this one just comes with a little bandeau top. This one doesn't have any padding in it, and it doesn't have any adjustability to it, so you can't like tighten it or anything like that. In saying that, the fabric is nice and thick. It is double lined as well, but you definitely can see your nips through it, and it's kind of annoying that you can't adjust it around the top. This one comes with super cute little high-waisted shorts. Now look, I'm not overly keen on high-waisted shorts on me personally. I just think that they make my like fat stick out the top, if that makes sense. Now something I will say that I noticed with these pants is the stitching had already like broken apart when I first received them, which was a bit disappointing. They do fit a little bit strangely as well. In saying that, they're like $5 or something, incredibly cheap, so I probably would still order them and just hope that they're fine. They're probably just not like my favorite bikini in this whole thing. Now please excuse me if I look like a sweaty mess. It is so hot today, and I can't have the fan or anything on because obviously you can hear it when I'm filming. Now the next pair that I have here is this purple set. I definitely did not order this in purple. I think I ordered it in white or maybe in a red, but this color is quite cute. I find that this color makes you look super tanned, but I really don't like this bikini. It has no adjustable straps on the backs, and I find that it was really short. I do have quite like a long abdomen, but this bikini did not work for me. It was like pulling my boobs up, and yeah, just not comfortable at all. It does have padding in it, which is good though. The only downside to a lot of the padding in these bikinis, as I'm sure you might be able to see here, is that it like folds. It's not stitched into the fabric. It's just not practical with the like unadjustable sleeves, so that was a no from me. That bikini just came with some plain purple bottoms. Now these ones aren't really cheeky. They're pretty much like normal sized bikini bottoms. That's the back there. I probably would keep these. I'm just not in love with the top. I really like the color and nice and thick material, so yeah, I would keep these, just not the top. Now the next bikini I have here is this like a maroon/wine colored bikini. I really liked this style when I saw it on the website. It looks quite purple on screen, but it is more of like a maroon sort of purple. I absolutely love this like sports bra style. I think it's really flattering, and I do think it makes your boobs look nice if you don't have much boobage going on. This one just came with normal bikini bottoms. They're not that like cheeky at the back, just a little bit cheeky, so it's like a nice bum showing, but nothing like too in your face. So I love the bottoms. I do, however, have one little issue with the top, and that's similar to one that I mentioned before, where the padding is like all in there. It's nice thick padding, but it moves around. So like you'll be swimming and then a wave will hit you and the padding's all moved, so you have to keep adjusting. Now the next bikini that I have is absolutely filthy with fake tan. Obviously being a white bikini, my fake tan got all over it. Now this bikini here is probably my least favorite out of all of them and probably the most impractical bikini you will ever see or wear. I saw this on the website and I thought it would be so cute, and you could even wear it as like a crop top with shorts or something. The fabric's really nice. It has this sort of like frilling on the top and the bottom, which I thought was so cute, and it also has these little sleeves on the side. However, when you wear it, you can't move your arms at all. I also have what I would say is like normal sized arms, and these are freaking small. Oh my god, they cut into my arms so much. I actually had a big red line from wearing them for like 10 minutes or so. So these are the bikini bottoms that come with the top. They're just normal bikini bottoms as well. Not too cheeky. I actually really like these bikini bottoms. They're a nice fabric, also really strong, so they're not gonna like let you out. And something to note is that these are really good like white bikini bottoms. I know I've been a little bit scared, and I'm sure you guys have been, with white bikinis that like things are gonna be able to be seen when they're wet, but these are such thick material that I promise you nothing will be seen. Now the next set of bikinis kind of surprised me a little bit. It's probably not a bikini that I would have picked if I was paying for it, but when I saw it on the website I was like, we'll give it a go. So this is the bikini here that I'm talking about. It's this beautiful light pink shade with like palm trees on it, and it's also in that sports bra style. Now I'm going to tell you right now, if you've got big boobs, this is not going to work for you. It's a really low cut, and the actual like titty part of it is really small, so your boobs are just going to flop right out. But me, being a small boob girl, can fit these, and these actually fit me really well, and I really like them. The color of them is really good for a tan as well. I think it makes you look nice and tanned. The material is really nice and thick as well, so it held my boobs in place. These ones came with quite like slinky bottoms. These are definitely Brazilian bottoms. They're not full G-string, but they are small, girl. Let me tell you, they are small. They do make your booty look quite nice, but they're small togs. They do sit quite up. I'm not sure how to explain it, but they do like go up at the hips, which I find quite flattering. Now the next set I found a little bit underwhelming, I'm not gonna lie. It's just this white triangle bikini top here. I do really like this one because it has adjustable straps and it has a clasp at the back to close it. It has nice padding in the boobs, so you're not gonna see any nips when they get wet because it is a white bikini. However, I do find it a bit like boring. I guess if you're only paying like 10 bucks for it, it's fine, but it's kind of a boring top. And then it comes with these super cute bottoms. This is actually what drew me to the bikini the whole time. I love this like greenery print bottom. I think it's so nice. So the next bikini I have here, I am absolutely in love with. It's just this bright red crossover bardo type style bikini, and I love this. Now I'm gonna let you know right now that this is a size medium, and it does show a little bit of titty. I got a little bit of like under boob when I wore this bikini. I think the cup sizes are just quite small. The only thing that's a bit annoying is it doesn't have an adjustable back, but it is true to size. Like this I would definitely say is like a size 10 Australian or a medium. This is probably in my top 3. So that top comes with these bottoms here, very Brazilian like again. It comes up at the hips again and is quite cheeky at the bottom. I actually don't mind this like amount of cheekiness though. It comes in loads of colors as well, and I'm pretty sure they're all like 10 bucks, so you really can't go wrong with this one. So the next one that I have here I was instantly drawn to on the website, and it's this like one shoulder black bikini top. Super simple, and I automatically thought when I saw this that I could wear it as like a crop top with like shorts or a skirt or something else. It doesn't have any padding in it. It's just one piece of fabric with like seams on the side, and this is really cute. It does show nips when you wear it, but I'm all about a little bit of free the nipples, so it doesn't worry me that much. And that top just comes with some plain black bikini bottoms. They're not cheeky really at all. They're just regular black bikini bottoms. Really nice quality again. Now the next bikini that I have, I was a little bit unsure of. I'd seen it all over the ZAFUL ads and was immediately drawn to it, but when I got it I was a bit like, So it's just this palm print triangle bikini, and it actually fits really nicely. It holds your boobs in nicely. It doesn't have adjustable straps, which is a bit annoying, but they fit okay. It has really nice padding in the front though, and I found that this padding doesn't move around as much as some others, so I actually liked the way that this one fit on me. This one also comes with regular fitting bikini bottoms. It's not very cheeky at the back, but I really like these too. I was actually really surprised with the quality throughout all of these bikinis. Far exceeded my expectations and much better than I thought it was going to be. Now the next one I have here is one that I thought I was going to absolutely love. On the website I was immediately drawn to it. I thought I could also wear this one as a crop, but unfortunately it's one of the most disappointing out of all of the bikinis that I received. It's this super cute white tie-up bikini. I love the fabric. It's again like a little bit textured. It has like lines down it. I love the cross-up detailing at the front, and I just thought it would be so cute. However, this one is really similar to the purple. It doesn't have adjustable straps, so it pulls your boobs upwards, but it just means that you end up getting nip coming out of the bottom. bottom. I really did not like this one. It's also really small and cuts in on the side, so I wouldn't say that this is like a true medium size. Aside from really disliking that top, I really did like the bottoms. They're very cheeky white bottoms with string sides. They are very high cut again, so they sit on top of your hips, which I find really flattering, and I love the like string on the side rather than being thick on the side. Very thick white material, very cheeky, but I find that these are like quite sexy. Now we're on to the last four, and I pretty much loved all of these four bikinis. So this one here is just this like khaki green kind of color. It's coming off quite blue on screen, but it is a khaki green. It's this sort of like sports bra style, but you can tie it up at the front as well. It has really nice thick padding in the front, so it holds you in nicely, no nips on show. It has really nice coverage. The actual boob bits are not too small, so it holds you in nicely. Really thick material and nice thick straps, so if you are a little bit bigger in the chest, it's going to hold you in and support you. That one there came with normal bikini bottoms, not too cheeky at all. That's the back there. Pretty much like regular size bikinis. I really like these as well. They're just so thick and double lined as well. Really good quality. Super impressed by these. Now this set I was a little bit surprised by. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even sure that I ordered it in this color, but I am in love with it. So it's this bright yellow bikini here. It looks exactly like a sports bra. It's like kind of not that flattering, but I really love this style. I think it's kind of like that sporty luxe vibe. It's really nice fit. It holds you in nicely. You still get like a bit of boob coming at the top, which I like as well. The top comes with this cheeky bottom part as well. Very high set again, sits on your hips. Very cheeky in the bum, but I am obsessed, as I've said 100 times. There is one really odd thing about this bikini though. This is the back of the bikini bottoms, and as you can see here, it has like one seam on the back. It doesn't even go down the bottom. Like I know a lot of Brazilian bottoms are like ruched at the back down like the bum crack so that they sit nicely, but this one here is like here. So that I thought was really odd. Now onto the second last bikini. I am absolutely in love with this one as well. I'd seen it all over the ZAFUL ads and it did not disappoint. So it's this khaki green tie-up front like bikini. I don't really know how else to explain it. It kind of looks like a singlet that's just been tied up, which I love. It has adjustable straps at the back, but not like a clasp. It's just a piece of material at the back. It also has some padding in the front which you can remove. I love the color of this one. I'm really into like khaki and olive. It's also that textured pattern with the lines on it, which I really like. And it comes with these cheeky bottoms. These are really similar to the white ones that I mentioned before that had the tie-up white top. It's just very cheeky with tie-ups on the side, which I think is so flattering. You can pull them up your hips. I just really love this bikini. This is like definitely top 3 as well. Now onto the final bikini. This is another spotty patterned like bandeau style top. It's just a plain bandeau with no adjustability on the back, just one piece of fabric. This one does have padding in it though, so I tend to like it more than that orange one that has no padding in it at all. I'm obsessed with this pattern. I did post this on my Instagram and so many of you guys loved this bikini. It comes with these bikini bottoms here, just this like cheeky style, again very high rised on the side. This seems to be like their signature bottoms. I absolutely love this. This is probably my favorite bikini out of all 14 of them. So guys, that is the end of this bikini haul. I really hope you did enjoy it. I absolutely loved filming this and I'm so thankful to ZAFUL for sending me all these bikinis. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more hauls like this, if you want more bikini hauls. Let me know if you've tried ZAFUL too, what you thought of them, if you want to try them. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you're new to my channel or haven't already, make sure to go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button down below. I love seeing more of you guys join my family every single day. Hope you're having an awesome day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!